everyone, welcome to Junior Coding channel. So here I upload only Vital Junior projects. So if you like means please like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, so today's project name is using AI like a trickster. Okay friends, can you say what is the full form of AI? Can you say the full form of AI? So the full form of the AI is artificial intelligence. So this is very important thing. Do you know what is meaning of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means, guys, shall I say you one example for this artificial intelligence? Okay, I will say you. Okay, there is a guy. Okay, there's a guy. He's playing, for example, he's playing a T-Rex game. He's playing a T-Rex game. Okay, he's playing a T-Rex game. Okay, he's sleeping and he's also playing the T-Rex game. So he's so lazy to play that game. He's very lazy to. That game is nothing but you have to press the space button. When you're pressing the space button, the T-Rex will jump when the obstacle will come. Okay, so but this guy, what is doing? He slept. So he is so lazy to play this game also. So we are making that laptop or computer or which device you are using. We are making that to work on its own. We're giving an instruction for it to do its own, to do by its own. Okay, I'll just say you one more example. Now you're in your home, there is one robot. Okay, so you will say that to, like, you how you will give the instruction. Now you need to drink water bottle, means you're so lazy. For example only. Okay, uh, for example, you're so lazy and you're not going and taking that water bottle also. Okay, so you must, so that much you're lazy. Okay, so you're calling that robot, hey robot, I need a water bottle, bring me. If you said like that means it is gonna bring, no, right? You have to say for that some instructions, then only it will open, means open, it will drink me, like that. If you set the instructions only it will do. For example, you are saying that water bottle bring. Okay, so that robot will not bring because you don't know how to do. So you have to give, like, you have to give instructions to do, like, a robot bring that bottle. If you said to bring that bottle means it will bring, but it will not open and it will give you. It will never and ever it will not give you. For that, then it will come, right? Then you have to say open that bottle, then it will open. Then make me to drink, then it will make you to drink. So this is very, it will bring the bottle and it will make you to drink. So that is the instructions for which you give. So that will be the instructions. Okay, so next what we have to do means, for like that, like only we have to give instructions for make a space shooter game. Okay, let's make the code and we have to write the code to create a space shooter game, and we have to make it as artificial and intelligence. So that is called in short form AI, in the full form artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's write the code now. So guys, I already wrote a code here. Okay friends, now let's start it. Okay, let's start from line number 1 to, okay, so everyone know this game state. Who all know, please say me in the comment box. If you don't know, I'll just say you in next video, or when I take this coding video, at that time I'll say you once again. Please say me at the comment box. Okay, so let's begin. Actually, if suppose you don't know about this also, means you can also see in the previous videos, like such as in this like coding videos, you can also go and see in that it will be coming. Okay, so we'll move directly to line number 5. Okay, so create a space. I already uh like I have given it even the like this command also. So that time you can get very easier. You can get very easier. Like initiate game state. Create a space. Create a space means they are creating a space. Then create a space 1, space 2, space 3 means they are creating a space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4, space 5, space. So how many is there? Like that they are creating. Then they are creating a score. Then they are setting the font size for the score. Then they are creating a enemy group. Then they are creating a bullets group. Then they are creating a players like that. Creating their spawn bullets like that. If we are giving the command means it will be very easy. So even I'm gonna say I think everyone can understand these lines because this is very easy and the first itself in first class or second class they teach about this also. It's very easy, so don't worry guys. You please also listen the classes. Okay, so this is Vita Junior coding projects. Okay, so create a space they're saying. So we are creating a space 1. Creating a space is equals to create sprite 200 220 200 space dot set animation queue space dot y is equals to space dot height by 2 divided by 2. So space dot scale is equals to 2.5. So what we are saying is first we are creating a space. First we are creating a space, then we are giving an animation. First friends, do you know what is meaning of animation and where the animation tab is there? So I'll say you the animation tab is here. So here it is. So here only we will create every animation. So if suppose I just added everything right, so I'll just click on new animation. If you're clicking on new animation means if you need to upload the image, for example like this you mean, so it's just showing 100 KB. So I'm not having like such as like that okay, so I'll just choose from this itself. So I'm clicking here. If you need to draw your own means like this. Hi, how are you? It's your wish. Suppose you need to add a rectangle like this, you can also add how much big you need. You can circle means circle. Suppose you like this, it's there. If you need to add like a GF means you need means GIF means that will be continuously it will be coming. I love that to do. So in one frame also we can choose. So add new frame, click on that. Then again you to draw means again you can also draw. See like this it will be coming. Just draw like this something you just draw, then make it colorful. The paint box and tool something like this color, then put it something I'm doing. Okay, I'm just clicking like this it will be coming. Okay, so and you can also give a name for it as something GIF. I'll just give it as GIF. Then you need to copy like this is if you need this, just click on this. This is a copy. I mean duplicate. Okay, duplicate they are giving, but this is to copy only. So if you're copying this GIF copy, it will be coming, and you can copy so many times. Okay, and this is the speed of that. See now we need very uh smooth, like very slow means it will be coming. Very fast means see they given even an example. So this is tortoise and this is reindeer. So this tortoise will always very slow, but this is it's very fast. So I'm just thinking here. See, pachak 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 pachak. My God, it's really awesome. It's really good. Okay, so I'll just delete this. I don't need. Okay, so you can also create a name. If you need so many things like this, means you I'll just give a background. I'll just give like this. See now, that's it. Okay, so I'll just delete again, and I'll even in this also it will be coming. So if you need background means click on backgrounds. Okay, if you need characters means characters. In those characters it will be coming. Look. So cute. So it's finished like this. See, one is like this, one is like this. So see, it will run like this only. See, ah, it's very so that okay. So they like this only. We'll also create, and even you can also resize it. So for example, we'll just take a background itself. For example, I'm just taking this sunshine showers. So if you need to resize this, for example, this is a pixel. Okay, I'm just giving it as 5. Okay, I'm just giving it as 500. Let's resize, and it will, when you're fixing like this, it will be coming. Okay, then you have to give the same name to there. Okay, so let's move to the code tab. So this is our code tab. So this is over, and space dot y is equals to space dot height is equal by 2. So what they are saying, do you know what is horizontal and vertical? I mean x and y. So x means like this, there will go. Y means straight. X means sleeping line, Y means straight line. Okay. So why we are seeing like this? Because Y will go down and X will go like this or like this. Y will go like this or like this. Okay. So we need to go the special the game background should become in only y position, right? So we need to give only y position. So space dot height divided by 2y gave. Then space dot scale is equals to 2.5. We are giving the size of the background as 2.5. Next, like that only we created a 5 space we have created. So okay, so next